Okay, one more video, and the purpose of this video is to discuss g composed with f of x, which is different than what we did in our last video. That was f composed with g of x. And we'll see whether or not it's necessary to make a distinction between is there a distinction versus f of g of x. So we'll go ahead and get to work. So again, the way I asked you to do this was to write the general function for g of x composed with f, which is of course g of f of x, or actually that's already written so I don't have to rewrite it. G of x is equal to 2, and in parentheses I'm going to have my f of x. So 2 times f of x minus 12. And the next thing I want to do is replace this value for g of x. So I have, again, g of f of x equal to 2 times, in parentheses I'll put the actual value of, or the functional value of f of x, so that is 7x plus 4, and then I have minus 12 on the outside. So now I'll just finish this up by saying g of f of x is equal to, I'm going to distribute my 2, so I have 2 times 7x is, of course, 14x. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. And then on the outside of my parentheses, I have minus 12. Is just go ahead and clean this up. So I have g of f of x, 8 plus 12, I'm sorry, positive 8 minus 12 is going to give me negative 4. And I should just go ahead and write both versions. So I have now g composed with f, which is the same as g of 14x minus 4, which of course is different than f of g of x. So you know that the two functions composed in a different order actually mean different things. So again, get to those problems and make sure you write down any questions you have or anything that you don't understand. And if you didn't understand the first time, go back through and watch these examples again and be very careful with it, because this is not one of those things that's necessarily easy.